Okay, I'd like to say a word about presetting or pre-laying out the design. So in this case, I wanted a lot of color throughout the thing. You know, some browns, blacks, we got some whites, some greens, and I didn't want two colors next to each other. And then we have to, these are randomly cut, random pieces that were left over from other jobs. So some of them had straight edge cuts on them and 90-degree angles. So what I did was I wanted the rough look. So I toyed with breaking off all the cut edges, but then I ended up deciding I was going to lose some of my really nice pieces because you start breaking them off, you lose so much. So what I ended up doing was with a hammer, just a regular hammer, tapping these edges. Not too hard, but hard enough I could chip it away gently, and chip enough so it made a straight cut edge look more random and rough cut. So it didn't make it so obvious that it was a cut edge. And that I did that over here on this one too. You can see how I banged it off because this is a really cool piece and I didn't want to lose much of it. Now on the sharp edges I also did that. I tapped on these edges. Now I did break off stuff, you know, I had to cut it. Here's some rubble that's left. Now I'm leaving these pieces aside here because in my design, if there's a triangle area that's lacking, I can grab one of these smaller pieces and maybe take a little of the sharp edge off and use it in the design. So I'm holding on these and I'll use them for some other stuff, for fill or whatever. But that's just one thing I learned is you don't have to take all the cut edges off to give it the natural look again. You just have to make them rough. You don't have to totally break the whole thing and lose quite a bit of the granite. So that was what I feel worked.